Hi guys, obviously this is my midweek video, so at the moment there's sort of a little bit of everything. There will be the odd tutorial, but there will also be things like yarn reviews and showcasing things that are going to be coming up very soon. So this one's just a bit of a sneaky peek to something that's coming up soon, and also I'm going to share with you some new yarns that I've purchased recently. They may not necessarily be new releases as such, but they are new to me that I'd not seen them before. So I will share those with you in just a minute. But I'm going to start off with these little rainbow pieces that I've got here. Now this is a tutorial that I'm working on and a pattern that I've been working on, and this will be coming out quite soon, but I just wanted to give you a little sneaky peek. So these are done in the exact same way, but I wanted to show you the different effect that you can get by using them in different ways. So obviously these ones I've done the stripes in one colour and then the ruffles in white, which looks really nice. And then I've changed it around and done all white and then used the colours for the ruffles. So these are something that, like I say, that I'm working on now. So they'd be amazing baby blankets, pot holders, anything that you liked really. I just thought that it was a really fun effect. So that tutorial will be coming very soon. And so now I'm just going to show you a couple of new yarn purchases that I've made and things that I haven't seen before. So this is the Shapies brand, and this is their Noah yarn. I really love this. I think it's so pretty. The colours in it are absolutely beautiful. Now I only got one ball of this yarn because that's all that they had in the shop, but I'm thinking of making a sort of lacy open scarf, which I think will work really nicely, and it's really soft as well. So I don't know if you can see, it just says that this is colour 11, but I really like this yarn, so I thought I'd share that with you because I hadn't seen it anywhere before. I also, you may have seen this on my Instagram, I also got this Stylecraft yarn. Now this is Stylecraft Tweedy. It's a DK yarn, but I just love the colours in this. This particular shade is called Heather, and I just think it's beautiful. The colours in it are just so subtle, but I love obviously the effect with because obviously it's the tweed, and I just think it's gorgeous. And again, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use it for. I shouldn't say this because my husband will probably go mad that I'm buying yarn and I don't even know what I'm going to use it for, but that is just something again that I saw and I thought was really pretty. So that's the Stylecraft Tweedy. And then I'm going to move on to this one because I know that this is actually quite a new release yarn. So this is one from Signet Yarns, and it's the Seriously Chunky Metallics. Now I don't know whether you can see just how shiny it is. Obviously it's metallic, so it's got a really nice sheen to it. I'm going to try and rotate it so that you can see it. But this comes in quite a few different shades, each one of them equally as beautiful as the other. This one is platinum, but like I say, they do it in loads of different colours and they are all absolutely lovely. I'm going to use this, I think, to do some sort of cushion cover in like a closed weave stitch. I haven't decided for definite yet, but if I do that, then I will make it a tutorial as well. But I just think that this yarn would be perfect for that. So it is a super chunky, and you all know that I love working with super chunky yarns because it just means that your project builds so much faster, and it is recommended for a 12 or 10mm hook for that. So I'm probably going to be using a 10 when it comes to it because I want a really tight stitch. So that's the Seriously Chunky Metallics by Signet Yarn. And then finally, look at the size of this one. I love it. Again, I bought this in the yarn shop and have absolutely no idea at the time what I was going to make with it. I just saw it, loved it, wanted it, bought it. And so this is Stylecraft Swift Knit Mega Super Chunky, and I love the marbling of the colours in this yarn. I have decided since that I'm going to use it to make like a one skein super chunky, super chunky, because this is even bigger than super chunky, but I'm going to make like a really nice thick cowl with it. So I'm just working on a pattern for that at the moment, but it's going to be so warm and it's going to be for myself. So this particular shade is called Peony, which is nice because that's one of my favourite flowers. But as you can see, the colours in it are lovely. But the only problem when I bought this yarn was I didn't look at the hook size that you needed for it, and you actually need a 15mm hook, which I did not have, so I also had to buy one of those. Look at the monster. So this is my Clover 15mm hook, which I'm quite excited about using. But like I say, when I do use this yarn to make my cowl, I will do it as a tutorial as well. So as always, I will link in the description a link to everything that I have shown you here, and the tutorial for the ruffle blanket / scarf, that will be coming to the channel very soon. But I really hope that you don't mind me doing these little midweek videos. Like I say, they're not always going to be tutorials in the midweek. They are just going to be things that I want to show you, like last week was my stationery one. But that's it for this one, guys, and I will see you at the weekend for a normal tutorial. Bye for now.